Hey guys! For today's video, it's been a long time since I posted a video. Wait, how many friends is online? I wanna join. Wow! Wow! Bro, they said 457 online, but they're actually not. So should I do 2v2? 2v2 or multiplayer? Let's see. Let me see. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth. Ha ha ha. Oh wait, so let's do 1v1 multiplayer. I didn't hear the new update. So yeah, let's see what kind of update they added. The first thing I noticed now is the thing over down here. Wait, I'm gonna show you. See this? It's new. Bro, I thought it's supposed to be enchantment color green. But they decided to change it. Bruh. Ah, shit. Oh, okay. Oh, no. Okay, 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 okay. Three, two, one. Up. Let's do armory. Next is the temple. And the next is... No, wait, let's do two times of these. Hey, bro, can you get out? There. Ha 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 ha. What do we do this? Bro, we don't nothing to this. Enables a secret tunnel that causes enemies when holding it to spawn at the center tower. Miners gain 3 damage, 10 health. What? We have to unlock temple level 2. Jeez. Ay, walang... Wait, no! Wait, it was supposed to na. Okay. There. Bro, it took so long! We need to get this. We have to do temple level 2. Look. See that? See, oh no, I mean this. See, look, it says temple level 2. Okay, let's get temple up. Bro, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finally, they have a lot of health now. So then, what's next after the forge? Yeah, maybe one, two, three, four of these guys, I guess. Defend. Well played. Is it time's up? Come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 8, 6, 2, 1. Temple magic cooldown. That means if we get the magic, so long? Oh, they have a lot of health. Now they're not dead. Piece of me. Don't fight them. Oh wait! No! Freak! No! Oh my gosh! I hate. Oh my god! Let's see, let's see. The sneak attack. Hey, bro. Come on, catch me, bro. Come on, bro. Catch me, bro. Oh, you missed. Bro thought he could shoot. Whee! 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 Nuh-uh, bro. Nuh-uh. Whee! Don't fight me, bro. Yes! Hallelujah! Let's buy 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And maybe 4, 5. Yeah, sure, it's good. See, I told you. I'm so... 4 sessions, 3 times. Next is... What the... Fire attack. Okay. Huh? What just happened? 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 6, 8, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Wait, where was the ninja that got... Wait, no, stop. Where was the ninja that got low health? Yeah, oh wait, who was the ninja who got low health? Oh, hey, actually, let me see. Oh yeah, it was the guy. Okay, you actually go back to defend. I mean, no, not defend. Go back to the castle because you're on low health. According to my calculations, he's gonna heal when he goes, right? See. What? Fat? What? I said forge. A marine temple. Oh my god. Hallelujah. No, I'm not fat. Wait, what about B? A-T or A? Bro, they're so disrespectful. They call me fat. That's so racist. Oh yeah, I told you they get healed and they go back to base. Nah, they're so disrespectful. They call me fat. Nah, F. Nah, fat. No, I ain't fat. I'm gonna fight now. How many army do they get? um, Loser. only got Bastion? Yeah, yeah, yeah. GG. Oh wait, that's the end of the video. GG, GG, GG. Too strong. GG, too strong. Well played. Ta 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 ta. That's it for the video. See you guys. Peace.